Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss to find out in the Python version through command prompt. In the part 1 only, find out in the Python version through Python file only. Part 1 already discussed. In part 2 only through command prompt find out in the Python version. Here I am using the Python. This is the command prompt only. So I am using the Python name another space hyphen version. So once hit enter only, it will return the Python version. So currently I'm using the Python version in my PC is Python 3.10.9 only. So here is the Python standard. Here also Python 3.10.9 means Python 3 is the standard version, 10 is the major version, 9 is the minor version only. So here instead of using Python space hyphen version only, we can use simply Python. Just hit enter, it will return the Python version, Python 3.10.9 only. Along with whenever we using the Python only Python word only, it will come out, it will enter into the Python shell version only. This is so actually this is the normal command prompt only. So from command prompt to it will enter into the Python shell only. Here also we can run, we can use any specific Python related statements also we can run using in the Python shell. If we want to promote for the Python shell to promote command prompt only, we can use the exit function only. Just exit, then hit enter only, it will come out in the. If you clearly observe that previously we are in the Python inside the Python console only. So after executing this exit function only, we are promoting the Python shell to the command prompt version only. Thank you friends.